Launching your project, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic: launching a project. Whether it's for school, work, or a personal hobby, launching a project is a critical step that can set the tone for everything that follows. We'll break down what it means to launch a project, why it's important, and give you some tips to do it successfully. So, let's get started. When we talk about launching a project, we're referring to the process of starting a new project with specific goals in mind. This doesn't just mean thinking about it or planning it, but actually taking the initial steps to get the project off the ground. This could involve announcing the project to others, beginning work on the project tasks, or publicly releasing the project for the first time. Key components of launching a project include setting clear objectives, knowing exactly what you want to achieve, gathering resources. This could be materials, people, or information needed to get started. Creating a timeline, establishing deadlines and milestones to guide the project. Launching a project is more than just a ceremonial start. It's a crucial phase that can determine the direction and success of your endeavors. A well-executed launch helps in building momentum. It creates excitement and engagement around the project. Clarifying vision and goals ensures everyone involved understands the objectives. Identifying potential challenges early allows you to address any issues before they become bigger problems. Launching a project successfully involves careful planning and execution. Here are some tips to help you make your project launch as effective as possible. 1. Communicate effectively. Make sure all team members and stakeholders are on the same page. 2. Start with a soft launch. Test your project with a smaller audience before a full-scale launch. 3. Gather feedback. Use initial reactions to improve the project before it goes further. 4. Celebrate the launch. Marking the beginning of a project can boost morale and encourage participation. Launching a project is an exciting step that marks the beginning of a new journey. By understanding what it means to launch a project, recognizing its importance, and following our tips for success, you're setting yourself up for a great start. Remember, the way you launch can significantly impact the overall success of your project. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more prepared to launch your next project. Good luck, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.